Good morning, friends. Today we'll be discussing our new product, Be Safe, which is a blend of a wire and a mask. And today we'll be learning how to use it and how it can be how you can wear it properly on your face. So there are two parts in the Be Safe. This is a fabric which will act as like a mask, and this is a frame. So this is the frame, how it looks. So you can wear it on your face, and this is the mask. So firstly we'll be looking at how to install the fabric on the frame. So the fabric, you can see, is kind of a pouch, and it is having velcro on the insides. So it is helpful when you are fixing this on the frame. So you just have to take the frame, and you will have to insert this cloth on the front, and you'll have to insert it to the very bottom where it can reach. So after that you'll not be able to insert it further. And then what you have to do, you just have to hold this like this and press the velcro together, so that the velcro sticks together and this is fixed in place. So this is how the cloth is installed on the frame. So this is how this is very easy how to install the cloth on the frame. Now we'll be looking at how to wear it. So since we are having only one size available for everyone, so there are two basic things which we will be understanding how to wear it properly, and how this frame will fix on your face. So these, as you can see, these two ends, these go on your earlobe, just like in spectacle, and the loop which is here, this is just for your nose. So this will rest on your nose. I will show you by wearing it on my face. The second thing is that how to do the adjustments. So there are two kind of adjustments. One is this. This will, according to your face, that width of your face, that if your face is wide, you can adjust it a little bit, and if your face is narrow, you can adjust it like this. The second thing is that the distance of your nose from your face. So this thing, I'll show you in this plane, that this thing goes like this, and secondly it can come closer also. So if the frame falls when you wear it, you can just press it a little bit towards your face, and then you can wear it properly. You can rest the frame on your nose. Now I will show you how to wear it properly on your face. So I have already installed the cloth. Now we just have to wear it. So you just hold it like this and insert on your ear. So as you can see, it goes and rests on your ears. So right now my nose is not in a proper position. Now it is in a proper position. So as you can see, this lobe should be on your nose, and it should rest on your nose, and it should not be like this or be like this. It should be here properly, and for that you can do the adjustment which I showed you like this. This adjustment can be done. Now this is in a proper position, and it is resting on your ears, and it is resting on your nose, and you can talk properly, and you can breathe properly also. So thank you guys for your time, and this is how Be Safe installation and the Be Safe proper wearing position is.